to delete other files in Xiaomi devices, whether it can be any model. First, go to Play Store and search Storage Analyzer. Storage Analyzer. Now you need to install this application and open it. After this, you need to swipe left, then select others. You need to select only the MB files. Do not select KB or GB files. It causes your backup files. So select MB files first. Select MB file. Directly it goes to quick search. There will be a plus symbol right near bottom. Select that and select all. Delete. It appears a message like this. Then you need to click OK. See, it is deleting. This is how we need to delete other files in Xiaomi devices. Thank you.